Okay, and we could take some of the silver paint and kind of go around the edge a little bit, a little decoration. A couple of lines on the spine. And then how about we put a small cross in the center. It's actually a big cross. Let's see. That's a nice pretty one right there. So these are just small cutters. So we're just going to take the same fondant, roll it out, cut it. Now this one is so fine it's a little hard to get that out. Part of it's coming out actually, but you can use the back of a skewer or the back of a paintbrush, kind of help get the rest of it out. Little water on the back. Okay, so pop that down, and then I thought it'd be nice if we would go ahead and put some silver on that also. Okay, so let's see if our cross is ready to come out of the freezer. So what I want to do is go around it, loosen it all the way around. Ooh, how pretty is that? So I'm just going to lay this, let's see, we'll just pop it right here. We'll highlight just a tiny bit of this with the silver also. Just go over, kind of go over the top a bit. Okay, now for the cross, it's actually going to be on the chain. You could make the rosary. I know that has to have like so many beads and all that, but I'm just going to put it basically on a pearl necklace. But if you wanted to, you know, completely get into that of how many beads go where, you can certainly do that. I just take some of the super pearl and actually put it right in the mold. That way, two things, it helps release it, and then when it's released, it also has it's pearlized. I'm going to flip it over to get some of the brush hairs out. Okay, so I roll it into a cord first, and then I go ahead and push it in. Alright, so we get the fondant all the way in there, flip it over, flex the mold. Okay, so I'm pretty much making the mold do the work rather than trying to pull the beads out. If I pulled the beads out, then they would just come off one by one basically. Okay, so they're all out. Perfect. So this is the necklace, so this needs to attach right down here, the end of the cross, and I thought it'd be nice if it actually kind of came up on the dress a little bit. So let's see if I could do this without it breaking. Let's bring it over here actually. I just want to attach a little bit to the dress underneath here so it won't come apart. And if it doesn't stick with the water, you can always take a little bit of buttercream and pop it under there, or royal icing. And there we have it, a beautiful christening dress. Like I said, if you wanted to, we could, you can go ahead and write on the Bible, God bless so-and-so, or if you wanted to write it on something separate, a little banner down here, you could certainly do that also. But this is a beautiful christening dress, or you could, minus the cross and the little Bible, you could just go ahead and change it up, maybe do it all in pink, and it would be a fabulous baby shower dress also.